We just released an amazing but simple update. Now you can delete payment links. This feature enables businesses to easily delete payment links, providing a seamless way to manage and control their payment processes directly within the system. Let's talk about those benefits. First of all, this is going to streamline your payment management. Efficiently manage payment links right within the CRM. It's going to improve security. Deleting payment links ensures that obsolete or unwanted links are removed from circulation. It's also going to enhance experience. Your business can maintain a clean and organized payment link repository. As far as practical use goes, now a small business owner can utilize payment link deletion features to remove outdated payment links associated with expired promotions, products, or services, ensuring that customers only have access to active and relevant payment options, thereby enhancing customer satisfaction and trust. First, you're going to access settings in your payment area. And you're going to do that by going to payments in the left-hand navigation, payment links in the upper navigation, and then you're going to click the three-dot kebab so that you can click delete. Now, just simply delete that payment link, and there you go. Now, go ahead and preview that defunct payment link. What you're going to see is it's no longer available. Now, let's go ahead and access settings in your lower left-hand navigation. I want you to check the deleted payment links now. You can actually see that under audit logs, filters, and then payment links. You'll also be able to see, as usual, who did this, just in case anybody did this without having authorization, but this is really more of a way to just verify that this has been done in another way. This new feature within the system empowers your business to efficiently and effectively manage your payment processes, enhancing security and improving the overall experience by providing a simple and really honestly effective way to delete outdated payment links, ultimately contributing to better business operations and customer satisfaction. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.